Well, we're getting so far. Got it locked in here. I ain't got all waterproof yet, but I'm waiting for this nasty weather to go away. Yeah, it's not the prettiest time. It's chilly. Still gotta finish all that. When it gets pretty again, I'll go ahead and finish making a video about this. But you'll see we're getting there for now. I gotta fix all that leaky spots there. I ain't had time to finish nothing yet. It's been too nasty. So I'll bring it all back then. Alright, I'm gonna throw a little paint on the inside of this cabin today. Kind of wet and nasty, but it's clearing up, so I'll go mix this paint together and get to it. Alright, get to it. Well, getting somewhere. Still gonna need to do the sanding on it, but I get it somewhat protected for now. You know, the wood's damp, I don't care. That angle kinda will show you what we're doing from the waist. Something like that. You get the idea. It's definitely not my best work, this cabin is, but I mean, I just went off of what was already there. All I did was flip the window upside down to put it on there, and it shows. Oh, that's looking a lot better. Oh yeah, that trim board up top there made the thing look a lot better. Looking pretty good though so far. Well, last step, major step right now for the cabin is cut the windows. So got one cut, we're gonna cut the other, get this installed on there. Don't let that mess my eyes. Right, let's get her on there. Alright, we're up here on top of her. Got this one in already. Just squeeze them right in there. Put these little pins in there, a little big glue. And set that one in there. Right on. Looking pretty good. Start adding trim in here as well. So this side's pretty nice. Went ahead to fix this. Show you. That way, when you need to open the window, it opens right up. She's swelling up now. Oh, that just broke. There's water in the horn timber down there. Anyway, need new hatches anyhow. Well, looking way better. I got a lot of trim, paint work done. Getting somewhere. Next video, I believe, will be putting the engine in her. Expect that end of November. Maybe I'll do a video in between, but next major project is going to be putting the engine in. But this is cabin part 2. I guess I'll finish it off here, maybe. I gotta put the trim on there still. A couple of small things. But there we go. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Getting somewhere.